Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to play Roblox using Happymod. First, you will need to prepare your Android device. Happymod is a third-party application store, so you must enable installations from unknown sources in your device settings. Next, navigate to the official Happymod website using your web browser. Download the Happymod APK file from there, which is typically a small file, around 10 megabytes. Once downloaded, proceed to install the Happymod application on your device. Now that Happymod is installed, open the application. You will see a user-friendly interface. Locate the search bar, usually positioned at the top of the screen, and type Roblox into it. Press Enter or the search icon to view the results. Happymod will display various modified versions of Roblox. Take a moment to review these options, paying attention to download counts and user ratings to help you choose a popular version. Once you have chosen a Roblox mod version, tap on it to view more details. Then, select the download button to start acquiring the modified application file. The download progress will be displayed. After the download completes, you will be prompted to install the Roblox mod. Grant the necessary permissions to proceed with the installation. Ensure your device has enough free storage, often around 100 megabytes, for a smooth process. Before you start playing, it is crucial to understand some important considerations. Using modified applications from third-party sources like Happymod can carry potential security risks. These versions may not receive official updates or support from Roblox, which could lead to compatibility issues or vulnerabilities. Always exercise caution and ensure your device has robust security measures, such as antivirus software, when using unofficial applications.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.